Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, spectacular student Indonesia. We meet again in Welcome Learning English, presented by Mr. Ajab Suryadi, Magister of Education. In this occasion, I'd like to deliver about 10 tenses much faster, better, and more easily. Present, future, perfect, continuous. Present, perfect, continuous. Past, future, perfect, continuous. Past, perfect, continuous. The pattern of present, subject plus verb 1. Example, I speak English today. In negative, I don't speak Japanese today. In interrogative, do you speak English today? Yes, I do. Do you speak Japanese today? No, I don't. Present, future. The pattern, subject plus will or shall plus verb 1. Example, I will speak English tomorrow. Negative, I will not speak Japanese tomorrow. Interrogative, will you speak English tomorrow? Yes, I shall. Will you speak Japanese tomorrow? No, I shan't. Present perfect. The pattern, subject plus have or has plus verb 3. Example, I have spoken English since 3 years ago. In negative, I haven't spoken Japanese since 30 years ago. Interrogative, have you spoken English since 3 years ago? Yes, I have. Have you spoken Japanese since 30 years ago? No, I haven't. Next, present continuous. The pattern using subject plus am, is, are plus verb ing plus object plus noun. Example, I'm speaking English now. In negative, I'm not speaking Japanese now. Interrogative, are you speaking English now? Yes, I am. Are you speaking Japanese now? No, I'm not. Present perfect continuous. The pattern, subject plus have or has plus been plus verb being plus object plus since. Example, I have been speaking English since 3 years ago. In negative, I haven't been speaking Japanese since 30 years ago. Interrogative, have you been speaking English since 3 years ago? Yes, I have. Have you been speaking Japanese since 30 years ago? No, I haven't. Next, past tense. The pattern, subject plus verb 2. Example, I spoke English last week. In negative, I didn't speak Japanese last week. Interrogative, did you speak English last week? Yes, I did. Did you speak Japanese last week? No, I didn't. Past future. The pattern, subject plus would or should plus verb 1 plus object plus last. Example, I would speak Japanese last week. I wouldn't speak Japanese last week. Would you speak English last week? Yes, I would. Would you speak Japanese last week? No, I wouldn't. Past perfect. The pattern, subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object plus 4. Example, I had spoken English for 3 years. In negative, I hadn't spoken Japanese for 30 years. Interrogative, have you spoken English since 3 years ago? Yes, I had. Had you spoken Japanese for 30 years? No, I hadn't. Past continuous. The pattern, subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus object plus last. Example, I was speaking English last week. In negative, I was not speaking Japanese last week. Interrogative, Were you speaking English last week? Yes, I was. Were you speaking Japanese last week? No, I wasn't. The last past perfect continuous tense. The pattern using subject plus had plus been plus verb ing plus object plus for. Example, I had been speaking English for 3 years. In negative, I had not been speaking Japanese for 30 years. Interrogative, had you been speaking English for 3 years? Yes, I had. Had you been speaking Japanese for 30 years? No, I hadn't. So in this case, how to master English much faster, better and more easily, we must practice English and we must understand about the pattern. The conclusion of sentences: present subject plus verb 1, past tense subject plus verb 2, present perfect subject plus have or has plus verb 3, past perfect subject plus had plus verb 3, present continuous subject plus am is are plus verb ing, past continuous subject plus were was or were plus verb ing, present future subject plus will or shall plus verb 1, past future subject plus would or should plus verb 1, present perfect continuous subject plus have of or has plus been plus verb ing plus since, past perfect continuous. The pattern using subject plus had plus been plus verb ing plus object plus for. Okay, the example: I speak English today. I spoke English last week. I have spoken English since 3 years ago. I had spoken English for 3 years. I am speaking English now. I was speaking English last week. I will speak English tomorrow. I would speak English last night. I have been speaking English since 3 years ago. I had been speaking English for 3 years. The most important thing that English is habit language. More practice is better for we all. Practice make us perfect. More practice is better for we all. Good morning, Spectacular Student Indonesia. Goodbye and meet again next week. Bye.